Am I still muted? Sorry, Marcine. I had to go to the house of DJ and deal with some shit over there. I went to the house of DJ. I was there for a couple of hours. Doesn't look like I missed much, right? Only now did gold just pop because there was some fucking like gold treasury QRA estimate thing that Dan Emmons told me about. So let me let the DCA gang know that I'm live. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. Got a new month ahead of us. My goal is to not wait until the 15th or the 16th to request my first payout of the month. Think I can pull it off? What do you think? Who's out here? Kenny, Slick Rick, the ruler. Hey, Ron, Jay here. Jay. Bacon, just my style. Cyber Pie. Building Impossible Dreams. Tony Gold. Oh, that's Vero. What's up, Vero? Again, fucking YouTube, man. Trending World. Raphael. Marcine. I got to remember that 007 clench is Olivier. I got to remember that. Sly Fox. Benjamin. Greg Orlowski. Carlos. Tyson. Drawdown Studio. Cool name. Capital Gains. Rick. Yeah, Tyson Prosper, if you push it over, yeah, when the market closes and everything gets processed, you'll be able to, you'll see and activate, you'll get an email from them. You'll get an email from them, and then you'll be able to activate those accounts for the next session. Eddie, what up? Fallacy, Eric Graham. Felix the Cat. Edward Clayton. Hello there. Or Ed Clayton. My bad. Kasalisk. Eddie. Canute. Jimmy G. Yeah, so hope you guys had a good weekend. My weekend was good for the most part. I got to play baseball again for the first time in 6 fucking weeks. So that's always good. What up, Jay? Yeah. I appreciate that, Olivier. I pride myself on the community that I've been able to build. And obviously, yeah, sure. I'm the one this is what I'm the most proud about when it comes to that aspect of this whole channel and this YouTube stuff. I was able to bring a bunch of awesome people together. So it's not like, yeah, I did it, right? Because I showed up and people come to hang out, but you guys are the ones that make the community. You guys are fucking great. And everybody's super chill for the most part, right? Once in a while, there'll be some fucking jerk off here and there, you know. But you know, what's the saying? Like attracts like. And I believe it. Yeah, I don't know. This, like, you guys, did I turn my screen on? I didn't turn my screen on. Hold on, let me turn my screen on. Don't worry, you didn't miss much. Shit ain't fucking moving. All right, let's get the bad shit out of the way. Well, we'll wait till we got 100 people on here. We'll wait till we got 100 people on here. This is what I'm working with right now. This is what I want to focus on, these two accounts right here. So these three accounts, I did 1,100 on the first day. And then on Friday, I ended up losing $400 on the day. It was like $404. And I got most of it back and I decided to fucking stop. I had to leave anyway. I got fucking, dude, wait till you, oh, what did I just fucking do? You want to see something funny? Watch this. This morning, I wake up, whatever. I go open my laptop and I play, and I was like, oh, wow, great opportunity to take a short on gold. And this is what happens. Do you see this? Look at that. That should have fucking filled. That should have filled. It should have filled me, and it didn't. I know there was a spread, but come on. You got to be fucking kidding me. Right? And that was this right here. Right here. Hold on, let me zoom out. That was this right here. And it went down from 355, where my order was. It went down almost 300 ticks. And it was for these three accounts. And I was already up a little over 200. And then I went against it at some point thinking it was going to bounce. Was getting yo-yoed around. And then I gave back all my gains and it was down a couple $100. And then I got it back to plus 387. And I'm like, you know what? I'm fucking done. And that's all I did today. Just, you know, not this for the entire session, but that was what I did today. Hot shot, what up? Cyber Pie. I've been there, man. I've been there. iTrades, what's up? Vinny Lee. Jay, our cult leader. The cult of DGen. Thanks, Ron. You had bad news today? Well, that's unfortunate. Tyler. Honest Take, what up? Yo, Honest Take, just pay someone else to do it. Wicked Wick of the East. Hello. Christopher B. Real Tick Daddy. Marcos M, what up? Let's hide our account. LK, what up? Holy Earth, what's good? This shit ain't even moving. Let's see what the NQ's doing. Why is it so fucking slow today? We had PMI today. Did the market not move with PMI? I don't understand. Did the data drop? Yeah, actual. It was bad. I guess that was PMI right here. That was it. 264. We dropped 250 points and have been cucking around ever since. What's going on tomorrow? Nothing. Nothing, you idiots. Dr. Dre's dead. He's locked in my basement. Feminist women love Eminem. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Yeah. Yo, okay, we got, we're actually going to get non-farm payroll? Okay. All right. DBT, what up? Dude, there's like sites like Markel Burrell. What up, man? There's like freelancer.com or that's one that I could think of off the top of my head. Odesk. Odesk is another. Just tell them. I mean, it's Upwork is one. Yep. I don't know if I would fuck with Fiverr when it comes to that type of shit, but tariffs. He went to Cranbrook. That's a private school. Messi, what up? Simple trading strategies. I have been hearing a little bit about Take Profit Trader being a little bit delayed on payouts. I haven't heard anyone say that they never got paid by them, though. Yeah, I got to open, I got to open a position. Fat lip. That's, you know what? I want to take a position, but I'm not just going to get in just to get in. You know what I mean? Do you guys know that Apex? So Apex is running a deal I've never seen them do before. So they're doing 70% off. Not that great. That means a 50K Apex eval is like $56. However, they're doing $40 lifetime activation fee. So if you have any past evals, or if you have any evals that you're working on until that deal is over, let's see when this deal ends. You got, I think it's until the end of Wednesday night. $40 lifetime activation fee on Apex PAs. Pretty fucking crazy. Even with the 70% off not being the greatest deal, 70% off, like you could still be all in with an Apex funded account of $50K for less than $100. No member fifth. Anything you say, fifth. Austin, what up? Hasha, I don't know, man. I don't think that's what it is. Yeah, $56 to make them holler for a 50K, which is not great. Just do the math on your pass rate. What's your pass rate? And then do the math based on the total cost and see if it's better this way versus the other way when they were doing like 80% off with $85 lifetime activation fee. This shit is literally not moving. Is this thing on? Oh, also, you see this? You see this, guys? I got my Trade Day live account finally. I tried to, and watch this. You see all these fucking rejected orders? I couldn't trade. I bought my data. Notice how I'm not paying for CME data. I paid for COMEX data. I will not be trading fucking the NQ with this fucking live Trade Day account. I will only be trading gold. As of right now. I had to pay for the data myself. But I don't know what was going on, but all fucking night, I couldn't, because I activated it last night, I couldn't fucking place an order. It wouldn't let me. It was rejecting them all. And even this morning. But now it's working. And I fucking tried to get filled on what would have been a banger trade, and I didn't get filled. So, but I can place orders now, see? You see, guys? So I got my Trade Day live account, which is fucking cool. I got $3,825 in cash. My drawdown is 33.25 because they have some sort of $500 slippage thing. So it's still a good amount of drawdown. I just don't know if it's, I think it's static. I haven't traded yet. I haven't touched it yet. And I might not touch it today because I'm not really like, the shit's not moving. It's not even worth it to trade that account. What else did I do? You see these? These are new Take Profit Trader 50K test accounts. You know why? Because the funded account that I got and I activated last night, I had a rough time during London. London kicked my ass, and a casualty of that ass kicking was my funded Take Profit Trader account that I just activated. And the eval that I had, it was a fucked up thing with the test account. I was up $2,190 going into the trading day, and I took this long that was right. I let myself get shaken out, and I tried to get filled back long, and I didn't realize I was dragging my stop loss to where I wanted to get filled, and I went in short, and I went up, and I lost a ton of money, and then I tried to recover that, and I blew the account. That was fucking awful. So I'm basically starting from scratch again with Take Profit Trader. They're 40% off with no activation fee, by the way. I also grabbed some of those. I finally grabbed some of those My Funded Futures core accounts. How could you not? Hard to pass up on that. $59 to make them holla, and the flex add-on is included. You actually have to select the flex add-on to get the $59 deal. When you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY, it's good for 5 uses. I got 2 so far. That's that. What else did I do? Oh, look, here's another thing I fucked up. Well, I didn't fuck up completely. Again, during the overnight, I blew this lucid eval. These are the 2 that I got paid on. And I hit the daily loss limit the day after I took my payout, which is why I always tell people to take the money when it's available to be taken. And I got it up on Friday. I got it up $225. Gave myself some more breathing room, which is all I wanted, was more breathing room. And then I got them up to 516 today. I got them up 516 more today or last night. So now I have a good amount of drawdown. But then on these accounts, the same fucking thing happened. I hit the daily loss limit. Didn't trade that great last night. Not happy with how I traded, but whatever. I still have the accounts. I still have 4 funded lucid accounts. So we're good. And with this day and the other day from Friday, I do have $200 days in. So obviously I got to grow the accounts by another fucking $2,000 or whatever. But because that's what I want. I want max payout land. But at least I got $200 days in. And then what else did I do? You saw my Apex. I did this so far. I got this one eval that came through on a rebill. What else can I show you? Oh, last but not least, PLTR earnings. Interesting. What time is that today? Gary BB, what up? I love gold. The election tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, 25K accounts. Yeah, they did that. Oh, they lowered the price on them? Holy earth. Yeah, I feel you, man. Am I trying in the Trade Iffy World Cup? Absolutely fucking not. I'm good on that. For what? What up, Mars? For what though? I'm fucking competitioned out. I did the trade day thing. That was cool. And that was a major distraction. I'm done fucking trading for nothing. What do I get? What does any of you have to win? You're going up against how many other thousands of people? Why not just trade a fucking account that you could get paid on for sure without having to beat out tens of thousands of people? You know who benefits from that shit? Who benefits from that contest? Trade Iffy. Earnings at 4. What up, Alfred? AME. It's a trap. Investors. Ron, I would like to trade today, but I'm not just going to jump in a fucking trade just to fucking jump in a trade. Vincenzo. Le Chaos. Tim Morgan. Chilling. Total fucking distraction, I trade. And I got to pay to get the accounts if I blow one? The fuck out of here. I'm good on that. What up, Robert Gallis? What else did I do? Ron Starfinkel. I'm waiting for an opportunity to take a trade. Thanks, Jay. I'm not just going to fucking jump in just to jump in. Let's see. Almost rejected the 618. This shit ain't even moving. What do you want me to do? Just get in a trade just for fucking, just so you can see the numbers moving up and down on the screen? I'm not trading this shit. Roberto, Eric J, what up? Drifter. Nice job. Great job. Hey, chat. Listen, chat. Robert Gallis. Yeah. Kasalisk. Yeah, like I'm trying to trade funded accounts too. What am I going to do? Just fucking jump in a trade just to give somebody that dopamine? What up, Johnny? What up, PJ? All right, so you see this. These are my Apex accounts. I blew my brand new funded take profit trader funded account, and I blew a fucking eval that was $810 away. That's take profit trader. I got these 3 new fucking test accounts. Trade day. I got my live account, which is great. I just haven't traded yet. I was having an issue where every order I placed was rejected, so I couldn't trade day when I wanted to, and I'm probably not going to touch it for the rest of the day. Almost 100% sure I'm not touching this fucking shit until we're not even, nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. What else? Here's my Lucid account. Blew this eval. This is the 2 funded accounts I got paid on that I hit the daily loss limit the next day. I've given myself, since I hit the daily loss limit that day, I've given myself $741 of breathing room between Friday and today. I'm happy about that. And then I hit the daily loss limit right after that. I hit the daily loss limit on these 2, which fucking blows. But what are you going to do? We'll just do the same fucking thing. We'll build it back up. We'll just get some breathing room. I did not trade my funded futures yet. I just grabbed these before the stream. But nothing's happening. We're not even fucking moving. Nothing's happening. And then last but not least, my bulenox accounts. I was on day 7 with the same 2 funded accounts that I got paid on last month. On day 7 going into today's trading day. Was I able to get day 8 locked in? Do I still have the accounts? Even though I was like $1,500, $1,600 over max payout land. Andres. I know, Alfred, I know. Yeah, Johnny, I was me last night. I was getting knocked around last night. It was fucking rough. So let's see what happened with fucking bulenox. Oh! Well, the question is, because on Project SlipX, I could fucking hide everything, in the name of transparency for your protection, guys. So is this red? Did I change this from red to green? Or am I really fucking green on the day? Huh? What do you think? Yeah, no problem. The answer is I'm green as fuck. Green as fuck. Yeah, baby. I could have gotten so much more in this trade, but I don't care. I got day 8 in. Day 8. Look. These are the first 10 days on the leader and the follower, right? Here's day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8. Now all I have to do is just not lose money. Well, I could lose money on days 9 and 10. I just don't want to lose. Hold on, let me unhide this. Let me fucking take the rubber off. I'm taking the rubber off. We're about to go raw dog on this fucking bulenox account. I'm not afraid to fucking show my fucking numbers. Even if I was red as fuck, I'm still not afraid to show my P&L or my balance or my fucking drawdown availability. I ain't no fucking pussy. We're going raw dog right now. You ready? You ready? Look at this shit. I'm literally almost $2,000 over max payout land on both accounts. So as long as I don't lose $2,000 tomorrow and Wednesday, I'll be requesting another $3,000 from bulenox from the same accounts. So I guess I won't have to wait. As long as I don't fuck that up somehow, I guess I won't have to wait until the 16th of November like I did in October to get my first payout for the month. You guys okay? Hey, chat. Is everybody okay? Roger Adams. Hey, chat. Stock cards and bets. Yeah, he only tells you when he's doing good. Unless he's doing good in a trade and all of a sudden it turns against him. That whole channel doesn't show you anything. You never know what fucking firm or what account is being traded. Nothing. Don't worry, Top Step does it too. They fucking hide their shit now too. I don't know why. It's for your protection. De Leon, how hard can it be to not lose $2,000? What up, AS? Markel. Yeah, man. Manuel, what up? So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to do it right now. Risk settings. I'm going to set a daily loss limit for like $250. Liquidate and block. All right. I will trade. I could lose almost $2,000 over the next 2 days. I will trade. I'm going to set a DLL, a daily loss limit to take me out at $250. Liquidate and block. So that's that account. Let me do the follower too, just to make sure. I don't have to, but I'm going to anyway. Liquidate and block. So we're good now. No matter what happens tomorrow and Wednesday, I can still request a payout. And shit, let's say I do lose let's say I did lose $500. That would put me at 55,574. Right? I know there's going to be some slippage because it is Project SlipX. Then I'm going to request 1,500. I'm going to be right at max payout land on both of these accounts and then go for more payouts. Go for another one. How hard can it be? How hard can it be, guys? All right, let's see what's going on here. Anything? Nothing. Shit ain't fucking moving, guys. I'm trying. I guess the NQ's moving. I guess. Let's draw a happy little Fibonacci on this NQ. I'm not going to trade the fundeds with this. You know what's fucked up? I didn't trade these fundeds on Friday either. RTY is moving. I am not trading the Russell. Isn't that the Russell? Logan, what up? TTBZ. Everybody feels violated. I'm sorry, guys. I had to. I ripped off the Jimmy hat without your consent. I'm sorry. Day trader cut. Thank you, sir. Piece of cake, right? Oh man, yeah, that sucks, Messi. Gary BB's wrist settings is set to blow that shit. What up, Neil? Yeah, I don't understand why he would even say that shit about everybody who, I mean, whatever. I don't think maybe he was talking about me too. I don't even care. I wish he would say my name. But like there's a couple of guys that were on that list. He works for My Funded Futures. I don't know what the relationship is, like what exactly his title is over there. I don't know if he just gets paid to stream on there. I don't know what his deal is. I don't really care either. I don't have a problem with them. But there are people that are regulars on My Funded Futures who are on that list of 21 traders. And he basically said, I don't know who any of these people are. Like he was poo-pooing the whole thing. He's literally talking shit about his colleagues. Well, I mean, whatever. If that's I don't think that's a great look personally, but I mean, do you. Eric Graham. I know. I got rid of dude. I almost blinded people because I fucking showed this. Look at this. Oh my god. I got to do it one more time. Look at his balance. Look at this. Look at this. In bulenox. Look at that. Fucking crazy. Oh my god. It's beautiful. What a work of art. So here's the fucking NQ bouncing off the 618. That was actually like fucking 20 points. I need to expand this chart. There we go. That was like 20 points, brothers and sisters. What's gold doing? Wow. Yeah, it's a trap for bigger moves. Absolutely. I agree with you. Yeah, Messi. I've had accounts on Trade of 8 go down to like $5 a drawdown. It's because of where you got taken out. You probably got taken. You probably went under, right? You probably went negative on your drawdown, and depending on how the candle was moving when you were in the trade, as you were getting liquidated, you might have gotten taken out with a little bit of drawdown left because of where the candles were. You know what I mean? That's why shit like that happens. Stock cards and bets. What, the bulenox accounts? Yeah, they look good. Hell yeah. Marcin, my Photoshop game is fucking on point. On point. I'm sorry, guys. I can't get into a trade when it's like this. Let me do this. I will trade the NQ with a fucking eval. Well, I missed it. Oh, 618 bounce. Well, you know what else it might be? A 786 bounce too. Watch this. Watch this. You're gonna love my nuts. Watch this. Not really. Maybe. Kinda. Nick. NQ scale. What up, Scalpster? Yeah, the bulenox is looking fucking good. These Apex accounts aren't looking bad either. Friday kind of sucked because I lost $400, but I got most of it back, and I'm just this shit. Look at this price action. Nothing's happening. Ron here again. Hey, Ron. Jay here and not in my garage. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Kinda. Slap chop. Slap chop. You ever see the rap chop? Oh man. That's a nice move right there. 30 points. Hey, chat. Hey, chat. Ron's here, Ron. Ron's here, chat. Jay. I think I need more coffee. Oh, I went the wrong way. You need whiskey? Yeah, this is fucking brutal. This is brutal. I got fucking dust in my eyes from being in the house. There's fucking dust everywhere in that place. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Hmm. 401, 148. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Hey, chat. I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry I haven't taken a trade yet, chat. Like, this is what we're looking. This is the 5-minute chart on the NQ. Here's the 15-minute chart. We've literally done nothing. Nothing's happening. So what am I supposed to do? We did bounce off the top orb here. The top orb for the extended hours. Let's see. And the lower the VWAP band on regular trading hours. But like, I just don't see. I don't know. Am I supposed to just force a trade? Trying to. I mean, maybe everything's just waiting for Palantir. Jay Stores. Bottle of scotch. There we. Oh, I thought weren't they saying that shit was not even. There was no Epstein list. I mean, I've already seen the list. I've seen it already. But weren't they saying it's all a fucking hoax? Honest take. I know, dude. Tim, I want to play Pass or Smash. I got an accounts to play with. Nothing's happening. I missed the one opportunity. This is the one chance I had. This 618 bounce here from this low. No, from this low. From this low right here. We got this 618 bounce. I'm sorry, Gary. Believe me, I want to trade really bad. I'm just not just going to fucking get into an account. I'm not going to get into a trade just to get into a trade, but I missed an opportunity there for sure. Oh, but how dare you call it gambling? Yeah, I get all that. But Trump was saying it too. And fucking Kash Patel was saying there's no list. It's all bullshit. Peer pressure. Of course there's a list. Just my style. Yeah, I mean, I'm dying. I got fucking major FOMO. But this shit ain't barely moving. This didn't, like this right here, this rejection here wasn't on anything I was looking for. From this low, from this high to this low, yeah, sure, we went into the golden shower pocket, but it didn't even reach a level that I look to take a trade in if I do it all. I usually wait for the 707 and the 786. Like this shit, nothing's happening. NQ. We did bounce off the 618 there. I'll be right back. I'm going to get more coffee. Miss Goody. Dodge. Maybe that's why the market's close. Market's running like shit. Isaac. Man, I'm so... Look, I don't give a fuck about either team, but the Blue Jays fucking choked. I'm not a Dodgers fan. I'm a Mets fan, so I don't like the Dodgers. The Blue Jays fucking choked. Hard. They choked in game 6. They fucking they had second and third with no one out. In game 6, they're up 3-2 in the series. They're in the bottom of the inning. Second and third, no outs. So what happens? The fucking 8 and 9 fucking hitters both swing at the first pitch. Don't even give Tyler Glasnow a chance to fuck up. The guy pops up. There's out number 1. And then the next guy is Jimenez, who's a good player. He actually was in the Mets. He was in the Mets farm system. He's a solid player. Take a fucking pitch, bro. His ball, he almost hit a ball. The ball he hit almost dropped. Take a fucking pitch. Neither one of them took a pitch. He could have thrown a wild pitch and it could have gotten a free run. You'll never know. And then they get doubled. Tyler Glasnow came in and threw 2 fucking pitches and got 3 outs. Ron, you're fun at point. Would I rather wrestle a gator? Oh, man, maybe. I mean, even this drop. Look. Yeah, rejected at the 5-minute 21. It's not what I look for. It's not what I look for. I never just do things just to do them. Well, yeah, I do. What's gold doing? Gold bores me. This is interesting right here. Watch this. I just don't know if there's... I don't know. Probably not a good... Here. Look where it bounced. For now, I mean, it's we got the fucking algo candle coming right off the 786 from this low to this high. Crazy. Yeah. Orders in. We come down there, I get filled. Otherwise, I'm not fucking chasing this shit down. There's the 618 again. What's gold doing? Kevin Tobias. I know, it's awful. Oh, yeah, Eddie. Yeah, his positioning was perfect. Lefty going oppo. He couldn't have played him better. He's not like this. I mean, he hits home runs, but he's not a power hitter. He played that shit perfectly. Jay Stores, no, I'll be shaving. No Nut November, maybe. It's hard to do No Nut November when my wedding anniversary is in November. All right, I'll be right back. Keep an eye on my order. Is it the right account? It's the right account. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Let me just make sure. Whoops. All right, I don't have any orders on that shit. All right, Chad. I'll be right back, Chad. Thanks, Chad. Hey, Chad. I'm coming, Chad. You guys still there, Chad? Hey, Chad. You still there, Chad? I'm coming, Chad. What I missed, Chad? Nothing. It could have come down another fucking. Why would it? It's only 20. It's only 24 points from here. I guess we're getting another 618 bounce. Oh, Kevin, yeah. Miss Goody, you know I have to for my anniversary. Yeah, Eric Graham. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. This is so bad. Is PLTR going to move the market, though? We all know that we all know all the politicians have big investments in PLTR. They knew they bought it. They bought PLTR before that deal was made. Hey, is that Mike Crotch? Nice, Carlos. Hey, it's Mike Crotch. Clinvale, what's good? This price action is not what's up. I can tell you that much. Not everywhere, but in a lot of places. This is awful price action, though. This shit is fucking hard to trade. Not like when you're not going anywhere. Oh, why'd I do that? I don't even know what that's from. Nice job passing your first fund to next eval. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. You know, you got, I mean, they have Otani, man. That's a big part of it. Roberto. Maybe the nicotine will help you focus, but maybe just get some of those Zyn packs. Chew on those Zyns. This shit is awful. You might load up on some Apex accounts using your EBT card. Eric, I know, bro. I know. I hide my balances in the name of transparency. You know how it is. Oh, Carlos, bro. 1,000 million%. What up, Sal? You know Otani knew about every bet that was being placed. He probably told them what to do. He's the face of he's the face of baseball. They never let him go down. My interpreter. That's what all those guys in the NBA should say. It was my interpreter. Pascal, what up, PK? Micah. Yeah, it's awful. Stock cars and bets. Isn't it funny how that happens? You get fucking what up, no skills? You get fucking cocky and that's what happens. See, look, people left the stream because I haven't traded yet. What do you want me to do, guys? I'm sorry. Yeah. Why would he throw it? He threw like an inside pitch? Like, who fucking cares? He's lucky he didn't hit him. Luis Jacobo, what up, man? Forex Elite, what up? Don Burberry. Yeah. Yeah, LeBron's involved too. That's why LeBron hasn't played yet. Next thing you know, we're going to see LeBron fucking playing fucking minor league baseball. Is this what's happening right now? It's running into close. Running into the close. You don't think someone from his camp was fucking telling people that he wasn't playing? Jack Boom. Yeah, I know. I think that's why the shit hasn't really moved at all. Oh, look at that. 707. I think that's a big reason why this is barely moving. I don't know why gold usually moves. It doesn't matter, but gold literally is stuck. Yeah, I was just in that trade day thing, going against like 20 other people. That's it for me with these fucking tournaments. Do you guys think PLTR is going to move the NQ like Amazon and all those other ones do? Yeah, it's a total fucking waste of time for me personally. What up, Coach Singh? Yeah. It's hard to trade this shit. So why fucking, like, what do you do? We've just been cucking around all day. Oh, that's fucking annoying. Uh, 405. Yeah, PLTR does have those government contracts. They all just happened to own shares of PLTR before it fucking, exploded. Not just Nancy. Do I want to do 10 or do I want to do 5? Eric J wants me to guess my way in. I'm going to guess my way in soon. I mean, this was a nice move. That was what, 45 points? Oh, you still have the account coach thing? It wasn't a complete screw. It wasn't a complete fucked up day. You still have the account. I know, Mike. YGQ, what up? $29. Here. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to regret this. I'm telling you, I'm going to blow this account. The account's going to blow. I didn't want to get filled there right this second. Watch it fucking drop. I'm already fucking annoyed. I wanted to get filled here, but not right that second. Does it have enough in the tank to get through my fucking take profit? I'm in a trade, chat. Hey, chat. I finally got into a trade, chat. At the top. Oh, look, it's going to go down 12 points now. I know it. I already fucking know. I already know. I'm about to get fucked. Chad. Tactical, what up? Way to get those accounts recovered. Big key. Yeah. We just slap each other. We just slap each other's things around. Big circle jerk. How many points was I up here? 8. Come on, blow through this shit. My take profit, that is. Oh! Let me show you my broker statement. Here's my broker statement. Oh, shit. MRC. Oh, man. Oh, man. Granny. How many points was that? 31? Almost 50 points. Damn, son. I got lucky. Come on. I knew it was gonna happen. Of course, guys. I knew it was gonna go up. I got in here around here hoping that it would at least, I didn't know that was gonna happen, but I was hoping it would at least go to the 786 before it rejected. And my take profit was just before the 786 on this fib. That's why I wanted to get in there. So it wasn't just a lucky, oh, let me just go in long here. It was somewhat calculated. Was it going to play out in my favor? Who the fuck knew? Nobody knows. Yeah, I'm in the government. I'm in the government. My nickname, they call me Satoshi. They call me Satoshi, bruh. Forex Elite. You like that shit. You like that! Well, you know what's cool about Apex right now? This fucking account right here is going to cost me $40. $40 to make them holla. Yo, this account cost me $37.40. It was a rebuild. $37.40. Yo, it's costing me $77.40 all in for this funded Apex account that I will now have. Because Apex is $40 to make them holla for the lifetime activation fee one time. 70% off on the eval. I get that. It's a little bit more than what we normally see them at. but $40 lifetime activation fee. Never seen that before. I have never seen that before. Newts, what up? Yeah, $40 to make them holler, Newts, until the end of Wednesday. Yeah, Trade Day told me. My Trade Day live account. Is that why I like Bitcoin? Oh, yeah. I was like, wait, what? Where's the punchline? And it was like, oh, I was just talking about Satoshi being my nickname. You know what's funny? I took a trade on some shit called Piggy. Anybody know about Piggy coin? I hit that shit for like 580 bucks. Sports Don, I did. Some new shit, Cube. Some new shit. 150s? I'll do it right now. MRC. I'll do it on my other computer. What's going on? I still want to trade. Are we just going to cuck around now? Are we going to fill this wick? Or are we going to cuck around? What's gold doing? All right. So on the this is the 618 on when I based it on this low right here or this low. That's the 618. Watch this. We also might be at the 786. Look at this. So from this low to this high, this is the 786 right at the VWAP. This is gold. I just feel like, I don't know, that I should expand it to here. And at that point, it's the 618. I just don't know if the VWAP's going to hold. Sorry, I'm reading my text. My landscaper is telling me some shit. I think we go lower. What's going on with PLTR? Well, NQ. All right, now I got to draw a new fib. Remove all. So here's the high. Let's see what happens. Sorry, guys. This is what happens when you buy a fucking house. You got to deal with fucking shit. All right, I got to log into Apex to see how much it is for what the all-in cost is for a 150. So did PLTR hit or miss? Wait, 150, my bad. 150. When you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY to get 70% off Apex, the 150 will be $119. That's up there. So you be all in with you could be all in with a funded 150K if you pass on the first try for 149 bucks. 50Ks are $56. And this is with tradeday. It's a little cheaper with well charts and rhythmic. 25Ks, I'm going to look that up right now. $25Ks are 50 bucks. Might as well get a 50K. All right, I passed this. I don't need to trade that anymore. Fibonacci cheese group. I got to activate that. We did that. Excuse me. What up, Corey? Yeah, $40 activation fee. Just ain't right. What up? Savvy, what's going on? Desmond, what's good? They beat. They're up $1 to make them holler. Coach Singh, I know, bro. Dude, I want to trade gold. I want to trade these fucking funded accounts. And like, I guess I could have traded this. It didn't really reject off the spot. I was looking for a rejection. Let's see. Yeah, it was a 618 rejection. Nice, Desmond. Me too. Me too. I'm out pimping hoes. Oh, wait. You canceled all your 33. Oh, man. I bet you wish you didn't do that now. I canceled all my Apex subscriptions that were 80%, 80 and 90% off, but rebuild at $93. I canceled all of those. Oh, 707. Not in those accounts. Fuckonacci. That's the name of that group. We're just keeping it with the Fibonacci theme. $707. How many points? 5. Maybe if I check this group off, I'll be able to fucking put the order in. Are we bouncing off the fucking 707? The Fibonacci. What's up, Leo? Yeah, Corey, I grabbed a couple of those too. I wasn't able to trade them yet, though. I do have 2 of them. Oh, that was nice. That was enough points for me to get half a smash in off the 707. Damn it. Yeah, everything's chilling. Remember, they're probably just testing it out. I've never seen them in the 2 years plus that I've been trading with Apex. I've never seen $40 lifetime activation fee. So that's why they're only doing 70%. They're probably trying to figure out if they'll sell a lot of accounts at 70% off because they have the $40 lifetime activation fee. My guess is they won't sell as many as they think they'll sell. I don't know. 70% off is not great. Oh, Lisa, what up? Ian Connor. Yeah, I grabbed a couple of those core accounts because right now they're only $59 to make them holler. Oh. Now, okay. Now gold has my attention. Come down here, please. Can you feel me? It's, you know what? Sports Don is less. It's less. The issue is you really got to factor in your pass rate. Because all in, oh, is it really bouncing there? Come on. What is it? 1870 now on tradeday? 1870 is 90% off. Plus $85. Right? $103.70 is the all-in cost on 50K tradedays with the the usual 90% off, $85 to make them holla lifetime activation fee. Or what is I think it's 36.70. What is it? Hold on. When it's 80% off, I think it's 37.40. Right? 37.40. 80% off with $85 lifetime activation fee, all in is $122. So all in, it's cheaper this way. However, it really depends on your pass rate. You really got to do the math. You got to be honest with yourself about your pass rate. $37.40 with Tradeovate. It's $33.40. It's $33.40 with Rhythmic and Well charts. It's less this way. All in is less right now, at least on a 50K and a 25K. Maybe even I don't know. Sometimes they do those other. The other part of their promotion is like they'll make the 150s and the 250s and the 300s like the same price as the 50Ks. So at that point, it's probably cheaper that way with those bigger accounts, but they don't always do that. Man, the 618 has been winning. Can you feel me? Went up 15 points. I needed 12 3/4. So you got to factor that in. But if you want to grab some accounts, 70% off, $40 to make them holla, one-time lifetime activation fee with the best code ZERODAYJAY. We're talking about Apex. My Funded Futures, you could get as many as 5 core accounts for $59. You have to select the Flex add-on, which just gives you the ability to make more money, to get a higher payout. That's how you get that discount. You got to put in the best code ZERODAYJAY also. What else? Trade Day, 30% off, no activation fees still. Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fees still. Lucid, 45% off. I think they're still doing that for 50K test accounts and 30% off everything else. And then if you're a first-time user, it's an extra 5% off in addition to the 45 or 30. With the best code ZERODAYJAY. What is bulenox? I don't even know. I haven't looked. They were 75% off going into the weekend. Let's see. Imagine bulenox did a lifetime activation fee deal. That would be fucking crazy. But that's where they make their money, so I don't see it happening. Yeah, this bulenox is 75% off with the best code ZERODAYJAY. Excuse me. I would wait on that. Is this really not going to come down to my fucking order? This might. This might. uh, oh, is it bouncing off the 707? You fuck. Come on. Please. Come down lower. Granny. This is awful. I mean, we did have this run up for PLTR, but 72. We went up over 100 points from the beginning of the MOC candles. But I don't know. I'm not trading funded accounts with the NQ. You know, I'm not entirely opposed to it, but I don't know. I don't like trading the NQ with funded accounts anymore. Oh my God, it's not even moving. PLTR is actually down 60 cents after hours. The NQ is literally frozen. Is the market halted? I'm so confused. Ugh. Sean, what up? Mikey. Nice, Scalpster. Nice job. I don't know. I didn't see who is that? Lucky Duck. I did not see an expiration date on the thing. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. My head might be in the way. I don't see an expiration date. It's good for 5 uses, though. You could get as many as 5 of these. With the best code, ZERODAYJAY. Oh, baby, am I going to get... Can you feel me? Can you feel me? I mean, this was a nice short. This was off the 618, or right by it. We went down 111 ticks, but it took forever. It took for fucking ever. Nice, CyberPie. Good shit, Scalpster. You could have 5 my fund. I don't know how many evals you could have at the same time. I don't know if it's more than 5. I know you can only have as many as 5 funded my funded futures accounts. To answer your question, Bob, for now. Yeah, I got that shit. Yeah, I got that shit. John, you like that, John? Lucky guess. You know what else was going on? I think the Japan was closed. The Japanese stock market was closed today. Some day of culture or some shit. So that could also have been part of the reason why. This market has been so fucking slow all day. Is this really happening? Is this real fucking life? You know what else happened to me all day today? A bunch of times when I was trading. The few times I did attempt to trade before I had to run out for 2 hours. I kept missing getting filled by like a couple of ticks or one tick. I don't think the election day is gonna really have an impact on that shit. Is it a bank holiday, or is only a bank holiday when it's the president's election? Are banks closed? Look at these motherfuckers with their clickbait. I just want an answer. I'm not clicking any of this shit. Fuck that. I don't like people playing games with my clicks. Gold has been crazy. Just nothing. The market was kind of dead today. 707 bounce. You know what, guys? Hey, chat. I'm going to regret this. I know I'm going to fucking regret this. I don't. No, I'm not fucking just. I'm not fucking getting in. Fuck that. Yeah, it's all the local shit. Hey, anyone who lives in New York City, have fun with that. Good luck. My condolences. As if New York City already isn't a total fucking shithole. Sherry, what's up? Yeah, all day. Zero click J. I am not fucking clicking those. I'm not going in there. I'm not open. I refuse. Yeah, Ian Connor, it's minimum 2 days. They're not super strict with the 50% consistency rule. Like if they're a lot like Top Step. Like if you are around 50%, they'll let it slide, I think, from what I understand. At least they used to be. Zero trade day. I know. I did take a trade though for the stream. We did pass this eval on PLTR's earnings. But nothing's look, it's just not even. See, I almost chased. This is the NQ I almost chased on to take profit trader accounts, and I decided against it. Let me just keep my order here. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Yo, you're way over and you're out of time, bro. That's the worst part. If you were still able to trade, you'd be able to ZB that shit and lose money on purpose easily. I wish. The legacy accounts are. At least the starter and the expert. The starter and the expert are still 1 day to pass. Oh, by the way, if you guys are not yet in the best community on these prop from streets, the DCA gang, the DGen fam Discord, the DGen Treehouse, you're more than welcome to join. It's free for now. Here's the link. Okay? Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Welcome, chat. Hey, chat. Welcome. If you're new, welcome, chat. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Ha ha! Ha ha! This shit is not moving at all. What the fuck? Oh my God. Kill me. I've had these two funded accounts for 2 days now, and I didn't trade them once yet because I missed my opportunity. I ran out of time. Friday, Friday wasn't even this bad. This is worse than Friday. What the fuck? It's not even moving. The hell's going on? I used to feel the pressure of I have to trade. Like especially with funded accounts. I have to get my day in. I have to get my trade day in. So I would fucking take a trade even if I lost. I'd be like, "Oh, at least I got my trade day in." I just don't want to do shit like that anymore, guys. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Especially with Apex funded accounts. This one's only going to cost me $40 to make them hollow, though. That's exciting. All in on this funded Apex account, $77.40. Ha! 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 Bro, I feel for anybody who feels like they have to trade this shit right now. This is garbage. Look at this. We're just cucking around. This is awful. I guess this 707 might be holding. That's 23 ticks. It's like nothing. It's nothing. Nada. Zip. Zilch. Tuan on. Timothy Chapo. The Dodgers are the luckiest motherfuckers ever. The lamb sauce. Matt O'Rourke got over the buffer with trade day. Later on tonight, you'll be able to request. You got all your shit set up? Remember, they pay with Rise, bro. So you got to make sure your Rise account has the same email address as the email address you use for your trade day account. But you should be able to request later. Good job, by the way. Great job. Maybe you'll go live next. Here's my live trade day account. I have not touched it yet. I tried to, and for whatever reason, it wasn't working last night. Just kept getting all my orders rejected. And then finally today, when I got back from doing some shit, taking care of some business, I was able to place orders. But I mean, the market, I guess I could have played this short, but I wasn't looking for the short here. Not at that spot. I was looking for it around here. You know? And notice here, I don't have real-time data with the NQ. I had to buy real-time data. So I bought Comex real-time data. Nice, Matt. Awesome. Awesome job. What's my opinion on what payouts? What's that? What is that, Timothy Chapo? Oh, My Fund the Futures? They pay fast as fuck. That's my opinion. That's my experience. Bob, for now, bro. I'm all for being a degenerate, but at the same time, you could get, you're talking about a 25K, you could get five 25K test accounts for the same amount of money it's going to cost you to reset that one pro 25K account. You know that, right? What's your pass rate? I feel like, I mean, it's a risk, right? Maybe you won't pass any of them, but I feel like you could pass at least 2 or 3 for the same amount, and you'll have 2 or 3 times as many funded accounts for the same amount of money. It's $450, bro, to make them holla. This shit is not moving at all. What the hell? I can't. Kill me. Kill me. Here's what I'm going to do on the Take Profit Trader accounts. Well, we'll wait until the very last minute. If I can't get into a trade or take a decent trade, some sort of setup, if I can't do anything before the day ends, I'm going to get a flip day in just to get a day in. But this is fucking crazy. You know what I'm saying, Bob? You know, I don't know, man. That's what if you said, like, I know people have done that. A lot of people have done it and they do very well when it happens. But what about all the people that do that? They drop 650 on a 50K or 450 on a 25K and it doesn't work out. You're literally saying you're going to send it. What if you're wrong? You'll be one and done. At least you'll have 5 chances to pass another fucking test account for the same amount of money, especially when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY because it has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop firm Streets, of course. I don't have any actual data to confirm that other than the DGen data. But you know what I'm saying, bro? I'd rather you fucking you'll get more bang for your buck that way. At least you'll have a chance to. And you know what else is going to happen too? I just feel like you're gonna have extra pressure on yourself to get the job done, which could help. It could help, but could also hurt. And more times than not, it'll hurt, especially with trading, because at that point, it's almost like you're forcing it, right? You know what I mean? I don't know, man. Just my style. I don't remember exactly what time it is that they update, but it's not that bad. You'll be able to request later on tonight. You'll be able to request later on tonight, and you'll be able to take the money out tomorrow. Like the money will hit your Rise account when you wake up in the morning, if you're on like the East Coast or some shit or the West Coast. Oh yeah, see, exactly, bro. There it is, Bob. I just saw you say you just want to get paid this week. Hey man, if you're that confident in your trading ability and you're that good, which is fine, I believe it, then go for it. But you know me, man, and you know me, I'm a fucking degenerate. But I never fucking tell someone. I always tell people you're better off you just get more bang for your buck if you just go for the test accounts, no matter what size. You're in the East Coast. Oh man. JC Trades, what up, man? Is that real? Are you serious? God, can we stop with the fucking global warming shit? How come they never tell you that the ice caps of the fucking... We have more fucking ice now than we've had in recent years or whatever in the last fucking 50 years. We have more. The fuck are they talking about? Did you see, were there any rituals happening? Did you see any fucking satanic rituals being performed? Because those are always fun. Yeah, that's the other thing too. That's the other thing too. Also, like 2,000 years ago, how does anybody fucking know? Like, and I love that. I love that statistic. But how the fuck there was any? Who was fucking recording the temperature 2,000 years ago? Who was it? Bro, this is awful. Kill me. Kill me with this price. We literally did nothing. Fuck, man. You performed one on the toilet? You had the you had the iceberg? Yeah. Even that though, like how they measure that shit. These are also the same people that tell us that dinosaurs are real. Because they were fucking there. And then they say, oh, we're going to run out of fossils, so there won't be any fossil fuel. Ice turd. Yeah. Meanwhile, there were buildings fucking, all these ancient fucking buildings that were built, a lot of them that were mountains, that are now mountains. I don't want to get into that though. We don't want to talk about melted fucking buildings and shit, melted castles and the mud flood. But the fucking entryways are fucking gigantic. You would think they were made for people that were 20, 30, 40 feet tall. Bacon. Capital gains. How the fuck am I supposed to know? I can tell you one thing. It's not what they tell us it is. If we know anything, if we learned anything in this fucking life, that nothing is what they fucking say it is. Yeah, you got fucking Neil deGrasse Tyson saying it's an oblate spheroid because he fucking seen it. All we get is fucking CGI images from fucking NASA. The world is fucking 30 different the globe, the spinning blue marble is 30 different fucking colors over the years. Come on. Neo. Jurassic Park. All of that is just to reinforce the bullshit. That's exactly Marvel. Hey, Marvel knows the only thing that's not a conspiracy is how good my coupon code is. Which, by the way, in case you're new to the channel, it's ZERODAYJAY. It works on Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, My Funded Futures, bulenox, Lucid. What the fuck is this? This is awful. How is it even? I haven't been able to like take a trade since this fucking this shit here. This is crazy. This better be better. Hopefully it'll be better when Japan opens. All right, what's going on with the stock market tomorrow? Like, is it a regular trading day? Election day 2025 trading. Oh my God, here's what's open and what's closed. Fuck, man, I got to click this shit. Fuck that, I ain't clicking. I'm not clicking. I am not clicking. Fuck you. I ain't clicking shit. That's funny, Bob, for now. Not a bank holiday. All right, Coach Fred, that's good. SMCI after the close. Oh, Nail probably, I'm sure Nail posted the weekly news outlook. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. So thank you, Nail, once again. Here's everything that's going on. Hold on, let me do it this way. This happened already. Joel's job openings, the not as great, the not Not so much of a market mover. ADP non-farm payroll, PMI, unemployment claims on Thursday. Does tentative mean they may or may not drop this data? The real big daddy non-farm payroll. It could be a busy week if they do all this shit. And then we got earnings. We got Palantir, which happened. Notables: AMD, SMCI, Qualcomm, ARM, Hims, Hers. Oh shit. We got they, them earnings. Uber, Robinhood, Airbnb, DraftKings, Mara, and Beyond, and a bunch of others. We got Soil and Green earnings. Soil and Green right here. Oh, that's McDonald's. Same shit. Oh my God. This is torture not being able to fucking trade. Oh. Which prop is on big sale right now? If you fuck with Apex, RanCap boy, they have $40 to make them holla lifetime activation fee, which is fucking crazy. The all-in cost for an Apex funded account right now is lower than I've ever seen it. Although the evals are, more pricier because it's only 70% off. But all in, the lowest I've ever seen it. My Fund in Futures, you could get core accounts for $59. Just make sure you select the Flex add-on and put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. You could do it 5 times. Take Profit Trade is still 40% off, no activation fee. Trade Day, 30% off, no activation fee. Lucid's 45% off for 50Ks. 30% off for everything else. 50K evals. 5% extra if you are a first-time user. Bulenox is 75% off. That's all I know. All right, I got to fucking force a trade here now. Are we rejecting off the VWAP or are we going to keep going up? The VWAP. All right, I'm in a trade. I'm just flipping. That's why I'm in minis. I mean micros. Come on, baby. And then tomorrow or, later on today, I'll fucking see if I can push it halfway up. I'll go for the half a smash. Dude, the fibs are fucking amazing. Like, I've known about the fibs. I learned about the fibs years ago. But it took me, and I would always share them like, oh, look at this shit. This is crazy. But then once I saw that they fucking worked, not only on the bigger time frames, but on the fucking like really small time frames too, the shit happens all day. Once I fucking realized that, I mean, that's really all I look for at this point. I don't really care about anything else. Like the VWAP and shit, but I'll use the VWAP more for a confluence than anything else. I don't know. I went on a fucking 2-week tear where I got over $14,000 and $88 in payouts trading the fibs. Why the fuck would I do anything else? Nothing else matters to me. This shit happens all day. There's so many opportunities. Even with this shit price action, everything kind of died at the end of the day. Yo, come on. Get me the fuck out of this trade. Please, give me a green day. Give me a green day on my take profit trader test accounts. A green flip day, even though I haven't really traded them yet. I'll do the flip day first. Come on, baby. Please. Oh my God, hit my take profit. How hard can it be? Oh my God, is this fucking real life? Take me out, mother. Now? Can you take me out now? All right, good. We're good. Boom! You see that? Warren Buffett tells me I'm the best fucking trader in the world. I'm Warren Buffett's fucking trade analyst. Maybe I should do that with these fucking funded Apex accounts. Get a flip day in. Get a flip day in now. So at least it counts as a trading day. Let me cancel this order. Oh, wow. It almost came down and filled me. That would have been amazing. But, oh, well. Ain't happening. I'm almost out of time. Oh, get the fuck down there. Give me my flip day, bro. Give me my flip day. I'm putting my stop in. Give me my flip day on Apex. I haven't even traded these accounts yet. My first trade's on these 2 funded accounts that I got on Friday. Hurry up. Please. Please. Boom. I'm the best trader in the world. Woo! All right. That counts as a flip day. That's a day. So we're good. We got a trade day in. We did it there and we did it at Take Profit Trader. Anyway, guys, I'm going to bounce. I got to make my update videos and I got a physical therapy appointment. Yo, Caleb, bro, they're so good all fucking day. All day you will get opportunities on the fib with the fibs in any instrument. Obviously, the ones that have volume, right? But gold will give you opportunities all fucking day, bro. All day. Anyway, guys. No, well, yeah, Fred, you need 5 days of $50 or more. And then you could flip the rest of the way. So this will count as a flip day. Maybe I could get to a payout or max payout land before I get my 8 days in. I'm just getting it out of the way so I can count it as a day. Anyway, I got to bounce. I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll try to stream later. I'm hoping to stream later. We'll see, though. So with that said, smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. I stream every day for Power Hour, 2 and through close. Sorry I didn't really take a lot of trades today. We did pass that one Apex eval. The market was doing shit. We had this one pop with fucking PLTR earnings. But I'll be on again, hopefully tonight, before I get on tomorrow. But I'll see you guys soon. I'll be in and out of the Discord all day and night. That shit's lit all fucking day and night. So hopefully you're in there. Smash the like button, like I said. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your day.